Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through Microsoft OneDrive to see if this cloud storage platform is the right choice for your file management needs. Built directly into the Windows operating system, OneDrive offers beginner-friendly cloud integration that syncs your local files seamlessly across multiple mobile devices. One of the strongest advantages of this platform is how it mirrors your traditional computer file explorer layout, making the learning curve completely effortless for any standard Windows user. When you drop a document or high-resolution video directly into your assigned local OneDrive folder, it automatically uploads to the cloud, allowing you to access it instantly from your smartphone or any web browser. For individuals who rely heavily on classic Microsoft Office applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, OneDrive provides an unmatched collaborative cloud experience. It allows remote teams to open documents natively and edit them simultaneously in real time, auto-saving every change on the fly and tracking a detailed version history over 30 days to let you easily roll back mistakes. Additionally, security-conscious users can take full advantage of the unique Personal Vault folder, which locks your most sensitive identification or financial files behind a strict secondary layer of two-factor authentication. On the downside, the platform only offers a meager 5 gigabytes of storage on its free tier, which fills up incredibly fast compared to the 15 gigabytes you receive on Google Drive. However, if you choose to upgrade, OneDrive offers incredible scaling value through its Microsoft 365 subscription plans, which pack a massive 1 terabyte of personal cloud space alongside full access to premium desktop Office apps for around $7 a month. Ultimately, if you want a reliable cloud companion that works flawlessly with Windows and Office productivity tools, OneDrive is an outstanding digital storage solution. Subscribe the channel for more videos.